course, the internet is full of information, and some of it is correct, some of it's inaccurate. You've got the statute residence test, which is essentially a flowchart. You've got how to fill in forms. You've got this is how you do a tax return. But at the end of the day, if someone is wanting to do it themselves and avoid the costs of an expert, is that a feasible approach to take when you've got an international complex tax matter?
So that is a very, very good question. I have been known in like previously, even like this most recent tax year, I do have the occasional client that will get in touch because they want to do it themselves. They want to feel like they're doing it themselves. They want to learn. And again, really fortunate we have a lot of clients who are very inquisitive, very smart, and want to do it, just want to understand it really. So they like to do it themselves, but then equally they like to just get an understanding that they are doing it right, and some feedback on that. So 9 times out of 10 in instances like that, it's a non-resident landlord whose situation is going to be the same year in, year out. And really the first year it's they're trying to get an understanding of their residence pages, how they should be filled out. Because, for example, if you're a UK tax non-resident, you don't automatically get a personal allowance. You have to physically say apply for a personal allowance, but you have to tick some boxes, otherwise you don't get a personal allowance. The minute you have anybody who's looking at maybe needing to make a treaty relief claim form, I'll be saying no, you want to get somebody to be supporting you with that. Similarly with split year treatment, really isn't great to be doing on your own. Obviously the non-dom rules have just changed, but if you've got somebody who's a non-dom with maybe some sort of remittances, as soon as you start looking at like mixed fund accounts, etc., pass it over. Let the professionals have a look at it at this stage.